Hello guys and welcome back to another episode. I'm Barbara from Crypto Team Barbaralicious, and today we're going to talk about the ICO Experty. So first of all, I want to tell you again, I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your homework, you have to do your own research, read the white paper, go through all the facts again before investing. There is always a risk when investing in any ICO. So, Experty.io. It's a really cool idea behind it. The idea behind it is that there are experts in the world and knowledge seekers, and Experty wants to bring them together with their platform. So it's a calling platform actually. You can see here on the right side the interface, how it will look like. You will have contacts. You can see here there's a lawyer, English to French translator, a cardiologist, so they're doctors, and it's saying as well the price per minute, and you can decide if you want to schedule a call with them, and then you know in advance how much the call will be. And it will be, if it's some minutes, you pay a very low fee, and if the call takes longer, you pay more. So that's fair for both sides, and it's solving a really big problem, how to contact experts. Experty is one of the top 10 ICOs to watch in 2018 by Inc., which is pretty cool. And the ICO, the pre-ICO, starts at January 22nd, which is now in 6 hours and 44 minutes. So there's a Telegram group chat with more than 17,000 people in the community. And there's already a warning about an ongoing scam. So this is a bit preoccupying, to be honest. But they're saying that they only accept contributions through Bitcoin Swiss. Bitcoin Swiss is situated in Switzerland. So if you go only through this platform, you should be safe. So their mission is to encourage the adoption of cryptocurrencies on a global scale by creating an intuitive, easy-to-use application that is suitable for wide-scale usage. So they want experts to create a profile on their platform and share it with their community. There will be a third-party application. So I can share, if I'm an interpreter, for example. I can use my interpreting service, interpreting from Italian, Spanish, English into German on Experty, and I can create my profile, I can share it on LinkedIn, on my Facebook page, on my website, on my blog, wherever I want, and people can reach out to me through clicking on this link, getting to my Experty profile, and where I state my rate per minute, and they can schedule a call with me, which is pretty amazing, I would say, and really solving a big problem. There are several niches where this is super convenient. Sorry, again, a plane passing by. I'm in Chiang Mai, living very close to the airport, so this is, yeah, happening every now and then, unfortunately. So there are several niches where this can grow pretty big. On one hand side, we have the healthcare sector, but we have, for example, as well, language learning sector. So if I want to teach Italian or Spanish online or English, I can just put my Experty profile and people can reach out to me to take an hour of Italian class. So this is and the payment will be handled through an automated smart contract system, which is really, it's making it super easy for both sides. You can download the white paper here. I'll show it to you later. And you have an application demo, an explainer video. Just check out the website. They put on their website a lot of information. So if you want to get to know the product, the idea, you can find a lot of information on here. So why should you use Experty? What's the reason why they think this will be a success? So first of all, it's instant access. There's a lack of incentives to share phone numbers with strangers and answer their phone calls. So they can do it with Experty. Then the instant answers. Calls can be made over Experty with very little setup. And the instant payment. So Experty allows experts to be paid instantly for time they spend on a call without going through third-party intermediaries. Callers don't have to pay upfront, which is good as well, as payment is handled during the call through their smart contract system. The Experty application will be by paid group calls, webinars, scheduling, texting, group texting, conversation recording, video calls, screen sharing, and paid one-on-one text messaging. So there are a lot of possibilities. So guys, how does Experty work? So first of all, we have the knowledge provider, which would be the person who knows several languages, the doctor, the lawyer. For example, this person sets the hourly rate or the rate per minute. Then we have the sharing of the link to this to the knowledge provider's profile, to the advice seeker, so the person who needs help, and the advice seeker, as a third part of this process, gets the information needed, and the payment is made from seeker to provider via the Ethereum blockchain instantly. So I already told you about the different niches. So they want to start with blockchain influencers and then start growing to other niches like advisors, developers. They want to do ICO hotlines, and they want to have a paid premium support. Here are different niches that I already talked about: lawyers, medical consultants, the healthcare sector is pretty big, pair programming, business advices, professors, charity donation actions, and one of the big sectors, which is pretty interesting, is webcam chats. We all know what this is about, I guess, and I'm sure that this could be potentially pretty big. They don't want to be a marketplace, so there are several platforms for marketplaces, and they just want to give the possibility to be called and to share the profile from Experty to the different websites, social networks, to put or to connect the advice seeker with the knowledge provider. Here's a product roadmap. So the company is based actually on a company called React Poland that has been founded already in 2014, and they did their first small crypto project for Satoshi Pay in 2015. So they did some research and analysis on blockchain projects in 2016, and in the first quarter of 2017, they created the concept of this project and started developing it in the second quarter. And now, in the first quarter of 2018, they want to start building the mobile and web app beta. The token generation is starting now, and the contact management and the Ethereum wallet. So they want to offer a soft wallet on Ethereum base. In the second quarter, they want to do a security audit, market release, and a Call Me web link. The availability schedule will be provided, voice calls will be available, and in Q3 they will have a desktop beta with video calls and video calls on the mobile app as well. They unfortunately want to only release the desktop version and the fiat gateway in Q4. So this will still take a while. They will have advanced payment rules by then as well. And in 2019, they want to start having additional features like screen sharing and group calls. I don't know if this is something that will make people not invest for now, because screen sharing and group calls might be something really important. But yeah, that's how they scheduled it, and let's see what's happening. So the Experty token EXY will be used for all feeless payments from advice seekers to knowledge providers. So if you use their own token, it will be for free. There will be fees if you want to pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even in fiat currencies. And let's talk about the token generation event. So the maximum cap is 9,000 Ether, or 9 million USD, which is super low, and I'm pretty sure they will reach this, especially because Experty has been in media and recommended by Inc. and so this is a really low maximum cap. Yeah, you can check out all this data. They will be using ERC 223 standard, which is an updated version of ERC 20. And as I said already, you will be able to invest on Bitcoin Swiss, and you can do it there in Ether, Bitcoin, or in fiat. Let's quickly talk about the team. So the team is pretty big, but unfortunately there's nobody who really worked in a big company except this guy. So let's check out quickly his LinkedIn profile. So as you can see now, he's software engineer at Experty, and he has been working as a software engineer at Cisco. So he's the only one who has a big company name in his CV of everybody who's involved from the team. Although they have somebody for software QA in their team, which is pretty good, and that's something that many teams don't have. So maybe that's a good sign. But then there's a board of advisors, and there they have some pretty big names in the CVs. So this guy, for example, was working for Ethereum and Golem as a software architect. This guy here, Bitfinex, CTO of Tether and BlockV, um, FinTech Week founder, blockchain community influencers. So here we have some people, um, yeah, who know about blockchain businesses, who have been involved in many blockchain projects, and they will probably be able to give great input. So thumbs up for the advisor board. So last thing, this is a Polish company. They have their base in Poland, although they are working close with um, the Swiss, with their Swiss office here close to Zug, a city in Switzerland. And here you can get to their Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, and Medium pages and follow them there. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you the white paper because here they have like a minimum viable product showcase. I don't know, I don't think it's available at the moment, but this is how they want it to look like. So this is a consultations network. Here you see all the experts. Okay, here for example, you can see Herbert Arnold's um, profile. You can see the name, the niche he's working at, the 1 minute cost, the native language, the second language he's offering, and an explanation what he's helping with. There are different ways to contact this person, but you will be able to schedule a call within the within Experty, and then you can get help. I think this is a really useful app, and it got already big hype. So this is potentially something that can be worth an investment. I heard people talking about 3x multiplication of your investment. So this is something that could be really worth it. I will probably invest, and I would love to hear what you decided after you did your own research, because I'm not your financial advisor, right? So yeah, keep me posted. Let me know what you did, and I'll talk to you in my next session. Bye.